Hey YouTubers, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a request. It's only a quick video, and this is Prince on August 2nd in 1990 doing a sound check in Japan. So it did get requested. It's only a very short video, but yeah, we'll just do this one quick. Let's just get into it. Let's go.
Start in G. Go to C. To D. Right there, Rosie. D, Let's try that change one more time. So it's an E flat side. Yeah, straight like that.
Wow, what a cool little, that was a very cool little vibe there. I got well into that. I was conscious about not pausing it because it was a very short video and I didn't want to pause it, but it was just amazing, man. He's just like, just there chilling. Hang on, yeah, the computer's just doing its own thing, as they do these days. Skynet. He was just like chilling, playing the piano. There's a cool breeze coming through. Man, what an amazing performer. I've not really seen him on piano. I've seen him on guitar and bass at the minute, watching the performances, but I've never really seen him on piano. So that is just, it just shows how skilled he was. Just, could he just play anything? You know, you chuck him like some fucking flute or something, he'll start popping off. Like Ron Burgundy or something. But yeah, that was absolutely amazing. So thank you to whoever suggested that. It's only a quick little video, but I thought I'd sneak it in there. So yeah, thank you for suggesting that one. If you haven't already, please sub the page. We are well on our way to 500, which is super exciting. And yeah, onwards, long may it live. So please sub the page, leave a comment, leave a like and all that jazz, and tell your pals. And have a good day, people. Laters.